How to deposit or withdraw crypto on BITGET Exchange mobile. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to deposit or withdraw crypto on BITGET Exchange mobile app. So in that case, what you have to do is you just have to go and open up your BITGET application. And when you're logged into your BITGET account, then it's going to take you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. So here, in order to deposit or withdraw, you could either go to assets or you could go to the wallet tab, and from here you could go ahead and select the spots or trading, whatever. Go ahead and press on add funds in order to deposit. When you press on add funds, you need to go ahead and click on deposit crypto, and next you have to be specific about what crypto you're depositing, all that, and that's how you could go ahead and deposit the crypto. Next, moving on, you could go ahead and withdraw the funds. So for that, click on withdraw, select the asset that you want to withdraw and enter the exact amount, confirm it, and you'll have successfully withdraw as well as deposited crypto onto your BITGET exchange. That is how you can deposit or withdraw crypto on BITGET exchange. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.